Are you prepared to explore the world of cutting-edge invention and cutting-edge technology? Prepare yourself to learn about 12 unique and interesting devices. These devices will astound you with their usefulness and style, from a smart bed to a smart curious toilet. So buckle up and follow us as we embark on this fascinating voyage into the technological future. Welcome to the channel, subscribe, and let's dine in! The conversation started that smart TVs, smart watches, smart speakers, and smart light bulbs previously were no longer relevant. You need to get strange with it to bring back the thrill of the early smart home days. There are some genuinely bizarre smart home devices available, ready to blaze a path into the future for every last bit of your life that is still low-tech. Well, let's dive deep and look at 12 unique gadgets that may seem alien to you. Number 12. Kohler Moxie Showerhead. Instead of having cameras, the Kohler Moxie Showerhead has a wireless Bluetooth speaker made by Humm that you can pair with your phone or any other Bluetooth-enabled device to play music, podcasts, or audiobooks. The maximum temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and the battery claims to provide 9 hours of gaming. The only drawback is that there is just one shower setting, making it impossible to adjust the water flow, and the speaker occupies a sizable section of the center. Nonetheless, if you require music to enjoy a shower, this will do. Just let's hope it doesn't listen to us when we sing in the shower. Number 11. Wink Portfolio Piggy Bank. A high-tech version of the traditional piggy bank, the Portfolio by Wink adopts its design while giving it a funny stance and flipping the coin slot onto the pig's stomach. The bank can track how much money you've placed into it, set financial objectives, and create your portfolio by pairing it with the companion Wink app. It can identify pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and dollar coins, and every time you deposit money, the nose of the machine lights up. In contrast to traditional coin banks, it features built-in motion sensors that send push notifications to your phone or tablet whenever it is moved or turned over. As a result, you may catch your younger sibling red-handed when he tries to take your change. Number 10. Ruggy Alarm Clock Rug. There are a ton of intelligent alarm clocks available that provide interesting ways to begin the day. The Ruggy alarm clock offers something other alarms don't. There is no snooze button. In fact, you might argue that your phone or smart home hub is already a smart alarm clock. With no snooze button and powerful speakers that yell you awake with 90 to 120 decibels of sound, the Ruggy alarm clock rug offers a novel way to start your day. You must swing your legs off your mattress and stand on the rug to silence the alarm, which triggers a countdown that lasts between 3 and 30 seconds. If you get up from the rug before that time, the alarm sounds again. The Ruggy can be programmed to offer inspirational sayings, affirmations, or perhaps simply something amusing to lighten the mood. Number 9. Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. For almost as long as it has existed, smart technology has been utilized to monitor our health and well-being. Fitbits and smartwatches monitor our heart rates, keep track of how much water we drink, and record our workouts. Even more, Apple Watch can monitor your surroundings for potentially harmful sound levels and alert you when you run the risk of getting hurt. The Smart Air Quality Monitor from Amazon continuously measures the air in your home and uses a color LED to display a safety level for you to quickly assess. This information is also stored, and hourly, weekly, or monthly readouts of your air quality trends are given. While it cannot function as an air filter, it may determine whether you need one. Number 8. Anova Sous Vide Cooker. The precision cooker from Anova can cook food on a stovetop or in sous vide machine. Treating food with the respect and care it deserves while cooking, it takes years of instruction, patience, and experience. The stainless steel heating element can circulate up to 8 liters of water per minute, keeping a constant temperature with an accuracy of 1/10 of a degree Celsius during the cooking period. The software gives users access to a selection of sous vide recipes, making cooking simple for beginners. To make cooking simple even for beginners, the app, which is free to download from Google Play or the Apple App Store, also offers access to a variety of sous vide recipes. Number 7. Ghost Smart Bed. A luxury mattress with a suggested retail price of $12,000 is called the Ghost Smart Bed. It has 2,000 biometric sensors and 7 layers of memory foam and can change the pressure as necessary. Users may customize the firmness and sensitivity of each side of the bed using the Ghost Bed Companion app, which monitors data about their sleeping patterns automatically. With a 101-night sleep trial, all normal sizes, from a twin to a California king, a 25-year warranty, and these features, you can be sure that this will be the only mattress you'll ever need. Number 6. Numi 2.0 Intelligent Toilet. With Kohler's Numi 2.0 Intelligent Toilet, users may choose their preferred seat temperature, as well as the temperature and pressure of the water used for cleaning and drying. Also, it has Amazon Alexa built in, enabling customers to make all of their settings using voice commands. The toilet can also play music, display ambient lighting, and store different profiles for each member of your home. These capabilities are just the beginning of bathroom personalization options. Researchers at Stanford are developing a toilet that will examine waste and search for probable disease signs, providing health assessments based on your most embarrassing behaviors. Number 5. Colgate Humm Smart Toothbrush. With the help of an associated app and a Bluetooth connection, the Colgate Humm Smart Toothbrush can track your brushing patterns. It will keep track of how frequently and how long you brush, as well as point out any teeth you aren't scrubbing thoroughly. Also, the app provides toothbrushing instructions and lets you accumulate points for in-app purchases. If Colgate is not your preferred brand, Oral Line B's of smart brushes or the Quip Smart Electric Toothbrush are alternative options to think about. You may follow your child's brushing habits by adding their toothbrush to Quip. Constant brushing also accrues in-app points that may be exchanged for free bristle replacements and mini gift cards. Number 4. Revolution Instaglow R180 Toaster. Users may choose the food they're cooking, the degree of toasting they want, and whether their bready breakfast is fresh, frozen, or being reheated with the Revolution Instaglow R180 Toaster from Revolution Cooking. Also, an algorithm is used to control the heat according to the choices and achieve the ideal level of browning. It finally fixes the crumb tray, one of the toaster's main issues. Number 3. Happy Fork Smart Fork. By pressuring you into eating more slowly, this Bluetooth-enabled smart fork from Happy Fork seeks to help you develop better eating habits. It keeps track of how rapidly you eat and transmits information to a companion app, which will let you know how long it took you to finish a meal, how many bites or fork portions you took, and how long you waited for in-between bits. Also, a timer is provided to let you know when it's okay to take your next bite. We're not sure how at ease we are, though, with a fork that basically narrates to us how we eat. We should eat in a way that makes us happy, even if that involves a fork that vibrates. Number 2. Kisha Smart Umbrella. A gadget called the Kisha Smart Umbrella is intended to notify you when you leave it behind. It connects to an app on your phone or tablet and notifies you if you move farther away from it than 10 to 20 meters. Also, it provides push notifications and detailed weather forecasts to let you know if you will require it on a particular day. Number 1. Furbo Dog Camera. When you're not at home, you can keep an eye on and communicate with your dog with the Furbo Dog Camera, which uses motion detection. It may be placed carefully to offer you a second set of eyes on your pet, and it can be configured to monitor live videos or set up alerts to let you know when your pet is acting strangely or barking excessively. The Furbo can dispense treats to give your dog some stimulation and a reward for being the best friend, and the onboard speaker enables you to communicate with your dog and tell them that you love them. To prevent false alarms when your dog is simply acting like a dog, the AI gradually learns your dog's behavior. Making sure your dog is secure in content using this method is excellent. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.